Students, once again, we are working with math today. We are doing our open response problem. So this is lesson 8-4. Today is March 19th. As you are reading through this problem, you are going to be learning some new words. The new words will be conjecture, which is making a claim or a belief. So a student in Miss Soto's class makes a claim or believes that Miss Soto set up 13 chairs. So that is what he thinks the answer would be. So that's one word you're going to be working with today. The other word that you are going to be working with, or actually the phrase, is a mathematical argument. So what you are going to do, although right here it says work with your partner, you're going to be working on your own. You're going to be using the clues to make a mathematical argument for or against Joy's conjecture. That means that you are going to either decide that you agree with Joy or you disagree with Joy, but you're going to have to back that up with your evidence. And your evidence in math is being able to show your work and the steps that you went through. So in this problem, we have a teacher that's setting up chairs for math night. We know that she cannot fit more than 35 chairs in the room. And she puts the same number of chairs in each row. So we're going to have to keep that in mind. Row is going to be a clue word for us. As she sets up the chairs, she makes up a problem for her class with these clues. So you're going to have to go through each one of these clues to determine how many chairs she actually set up. So I'm going to help you set up clue A, and then you're going to work on clue A, and then you'll do B, C, and D. And by the time you finish those, you're either going to have an answer that matches Joy's or an answer that is different. So clue A says when there are 2 chairs in each row, there is 1 leftover chair. So right down here, I'm going to start making my 2 rows. So here's row 1, here's row 2. And we know that she's putting the same number of chairs in each row. So if she puts 1 chair in the first row, she has to put 1 chair in the second row. She can go back and forth doing this, back and forth. If she puts 1 in one row, she has to put 1 in the other row. Right here it says there's going to be 1 chair left over. Okay? So you're going to have to see, would 13 chairs work with that? See if you agree with Joy in that one. Then you're going to go on to clue B and try what clue B says for the rows, clue C for the rows, clue D for the rows, and continue on. Once you get done, you're going to explain whether you agree or disagree and your reasons. Don't forget today, you do have math boxes 8.4 to complete and your home links.